Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. Let's face it, we all love a smooth browsing experience. But sometimes Cloudflare can throw a wrench in the works, causing issues when you're trying to access certain websites using Chrome. It's frustrating, right? The good news is, there are some straightforward steps you can take to restore your seamless browsing adventure. Today, we're diving into these steps to help you get back on track with ease. First off, let's talk about the browser cache and cookies. You might be wondering why these two elements hold such significance in your browsing activities. Well, they store a variety of session data that helps websites remember who you are and what you've done. However, over time, this data can become outdated or even corrupt. This can lead to interference with your browsing, particularly when dealing with security systems like Cloudflare. For example, corrupted cache files might prevent the successful validation of CAPTCHAs, which Cloudflare utilizes to verify that you're not a robot. If you're facing difficulties with Cloudflare, clearing your cookies and cached files should be your first port of call. Let's walk through this process together. Begin by opening your Chrome browser. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of your Chrome window. This is your gateway to making adjustments that can solve your problem. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find options to manage your browsing data in a comprehensive manner. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Clicking on this will open up a window that presents you with several options. Here we want to focus on clearing two specific types of data. Firstly, select Cookies and Other Site Data. This option will remove all the stored data that websites save in your browser, which could be causing interference. Next, choose Cached Images and Files. These are the elements that your browser saves to help load sites faster on subsequent visits. By clearing these, you ensure that any outdated or corrupted files are cleaned out from your system. After making your selections, click on the Clear Data button. Don't worry too much about losing important information. While clearing cookies may log you out of some sites, it generally doesn't delete anything crucial. It's a small price to pay for a smoother browsing experience. Once you've completed these actions, it's vital to restart Chrome to ensure all changes take full effect. Simply close the browser completely and then open it again. This restart is like giving your browser a fresh start, ensuring that all those old session details have been wiped clean. Try accessing the site that was giving you trouble with Cloudflare once more. With any luck, you'll find that your issues are resolved, and you're able to navigate without any hassle. It's often the simplest solutions that are the most effective. By clearing your cache and cookies, you can frequently bypass those annoying bumps in the road that disrupt your browsing. If you follow these steps and find that you're still having trouble, it might be worth exploring some additional troubleshooting steps. However, for most users, this initial cleanup is usually sufficient to get back on track. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.